851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer established.
Hey everyone, welcome back to DJ's Aviation, and some news surrounding Avianca, an airline which doesn't feature all that often on the channel. Avianca is a Colombian airline which was founded in 1919 and is one of the oldest carriers still flying today. They are a part of the Star Alliance and have a number of aircraft currently operating for them. The airline also has aircraft on order which will help aid its fleet expansion and replacement plans. However, in new developments by Reuters, it appears that Avianca may be looking to cut half of its orders placed with Airbus. The airline has a number of aircraft still on order from Airbus, including 20 A319neos, a further 97 A320neos, and 15 A321neos. Representatives of Avianca are set to travel to France to negotiate with Airbus over downsizing their order for the A320neo aircraft. With an original order for 100, Avianca want to bring this down at least around 50. The CEO said, "Of those 100, we'll probably receive between 50 and 80 planes," adding, "We don't have any doubt that we will keep growing. What has changed is the rhythm of the growth." Avianca have made this decision because of future plans. With over 100 planes on order, the carrier simply doesn't want to be locked into a select aircraft for the next 10 to 15 years. The CEO also notes that with advancements in technology, taking on board today's technology could mean in 10 to 15 years they'll not be able to take on board potentially more efficient aircraft because of their commitments for aircraft placed now in 2018. Cutting the deal could also help Avianca greatly, with more money going back into the pocket of them to either help cope with rising operating costs or to invest in those aircraft down the line which are going to be more efficient. While in the grand scheme of things, the order from Avianca doesn't hugely impact Airbus, if the airline was to cancel some of its orders, it would help Airbus's backlog of deliveries for the time being greatly, as no doubt another airline would look to take up the delivery slots organised for the A320neos with Avianca. Do you believe what Avianca are doing is a good option, especially in regards to reducing their orders because of potential advancements in technology? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'd like to thank you very much for tuning into this video of mine, and I do very much look forward to you all joining me in the next one.